Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So for the last 3 or 4 days we have been drawing the same levels, the same bearish fair value gap, the same resistances and the same bullish fair value gap, and our prediction was Nifty could consolidate in this range for the until the end of the month. Towards the end of the month, we could see some movement. Otherwise, it could be just consolidation with perhaps violent movement up and down. So looks like it is playing out at least until yesterday. It had been playing out as predicted. Let's see what happens today. As usual, let's delete all the previous analysis and start everything afresh. This might seem a little boring for anyone who is a daily viewer, but I believe this is important. Starting with the monthly time frame. So anyone who is here for the first time, this is an indicator that I'm testing, and this is the manual entry of the biases that I do. And what I basically do is frame biases on different time frames, from right from the monthly to the hourly time frame, and then on the basis of this data we try to make informed guesses of where Nifty could go and where Nifty would not go. So this on a monthly time frame, the bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because it is bullish if only if it is making higher lows. Once that is invalidated, it has to make lower highs to be bearish or higher lows to be bullish. So nothing's happened. So it's not sure. An important level is this swing low. This swing low is something that Nifty is respecting right now, as we are witness to it. Swing lows and swing highs as liquidity, zones of liquidity, and a monthly level will hold a lot of liquidity. It could take some time for Nifty to eat into all that liquidity and then move either ways, up or down. We don't know which way it's going to go. So this is the support level, where this is the on a monthly level, this is where buyers are, and this is where sellers are. Simple as that. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? It's going to be bearish for a long time. I say this every day. Just because you see almost near ATH, this high was formed, and this high is lower than this high. So lower high means bearish. And there is a bearish fair value gap that is again being respected. This is a weekly bearish fair value gap, and in this fair value gap, there's this swing low that is also being respected. So let's just keep it that way. I need to mark it in red. Now, if you look at this, it looks like it is all bearish, but let's see on a weekly time frame. Here's a bullish fair value gap too. I did not mark these all these days, so this one all these days, but I think it's high time I start marking this. If Nifty decides to come down on a weekly time frame, it could take support here. So it's right here. There's from a monthly to a weekly time frame. You see all there's a lot of sellers in this area, and there's a lot of buyers in this area. So this is a tight range it could trade between. So anyone selling calls above and puts below this could make money from time decay. On a daily time frame, Nifty is it bullish? No, it is not bullish. Whereas yes, it is indeed bullish. This low wasn't taken. So yes, Nifty is bullish on a daily time frame. You see this low, and this is a higher low, and that low wasn't taken today. So it is bullish, and there's a fair value gap right here. Let me just mark that one too. There is a fair value gap right here. And this is a weekly fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap. Sorry. Now, there is also a swing high within this fair value gap. It's not much, not a long way away from the top of the fair value gap. But since I've marked it, let's just keep it. So it's just confluence of two premium or discount areas that could be more significant. The thinner line going over the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is not sure because you see this low was taken and no higher high was made. That means there's no higher low or no lower high, and there is a bearish fair value gap formed. So it's not sure, but more on the bearish side. Going over to the hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, again it is not sure. Is it? Yes. So no, it is not sure. It is bearish. You see, this is a swing high that is much lower than this swing high, so it has created lower highs, and that makes it bearish. So that's all for today. Let's see where Nifty goes tomorrow. I mean, that's all for today. Let's see where Nifty goes today. I am not a certified analyst. I do this just for educational purpose. So thank you.